Hello, my name is Prawittawan Kamfa. I am staff member at Eco Asia Seed Bank. Today, I will introduce a natural insect repellent made from neem, galangal, and citronella. Importantly, this is something we actually use on our eco farm. The reason we use natural insect repellents made from neem, galangal, and citronella is because these herbal extracts are safe for consumers, safe for those applying them, and leave no harmful residues in the soil or water. Another benefit is that they help reduce production cost. We have been using this formula for over 20 years. And we have seen that it works well. The ingredients are easy to find, and with consistent use, it helps control crop pests, especially caterpillars. When insects come into contact with it, they lose their appetite and move away. Eventually, they may die, particularly in the larva stage. To make it simple, if we raise bees on a farm that uses herbal-based insect repellents, the bees can continue living in our vegetable plots without leaving. However, if we use chemical pesticides, they can drive the bees away because those chemicals negatively affect the bees living in the farm or garden. This natural insect repellent made from neem, galangal, and citronella can help prevent and control pests such as aphid, leafhopper, leaf-rolling caterpillars, and diamondback moth larvae. Importantly, our team has also conducted experiments on controlling aphid in Chinese kale. From our trials using concentrate neem-based repellent, we found that it can control certain pests like aphids and caterpillars to some extent. However, it is not effective against beetles. The ingredients used in this formula are: first is neem leaves, the second is galangal, and the third is citronella, all of which can be easily found in our local area. This formula includes three main ingredients. First thing is 3 kilograms of neem leaves. Secondly, 2 kilograms of galangal. Lastly, 1 kilogram of citronella, and mixed with 20 liters of water. To prepare it, chop the neem leaves into small pieces. Then slice the galangal and citronella. After that, pound the mixtures to extract the essential oils from the plants. Next, wrap the mixtures in a thin cloth and place into a container with 20 liters of water. Let it soak overnight. After soaking, strain the liquids and pour into a sprayer or spray bottle. At this point, the herbal extract is ready to use. When spraying, apply from the bottom upward, spraying from the underneath the leaves toward the top because insects tend to hide under the leaves. This method ensures maximum effectiveness. The best time to spray is in the morning, when the temperature is not too hot, as strong sunlight can reduce the effectiveness of the repellent. Another suitable time is in the evening, when the temperature is cooler. Avoid spraying during rains, as rain can wash the solution away. There are 2 application frequencies. For prevention, spray every 5 to 7 days. During heavy infestations, spray every 2 days. Natural herbal insect repellent is a practical alternative that farmers can apply. It is safe for producers and consumers, helps maintain ecological balance, and this formula can be easily adapted for use.